Citrus seed extracts are not histamine activators, but let's back up. Should you avoid EC3 products since they contain citrus with histamine intolerance or MCAS, mast cell activation syndrome? Let's talk about it. While we cannot unequivocally say that our products will work for everyone and every person's body, we can show you the research and why we chose citrus seed extracts 20 years ago now as the powerhouse ingredients in our EC3 products. It is important that any highly reactive person knows that citrus seed extracts have been extensively studied for their potential effects on mast cells, which play a crucial role in allergic reactions and inflammation. Most research suggests that citrus fruit seeds, pulp, and peels, which are rich in polyphenols, may help inhibit histamine release from mast cells, thereby actually reducing allergic responses. Additionally, certain natural compounds found in citrus extracts may act as mast cell stabilizers, helping to regulate immune responses. Lemon juice and peel constituents potentially stabilize rat peritoneal mast cells from a PubMed study. Another study showed that utilizing extracts of lemon, lime, grapefruit, and orange or tangerine suppresses inflammation. Let's take a look at another study on the power of citrus. This research shows that various citrus species have been shown to inhibit various allergic reactions, such as type 1, 2, and 4, in different pharmacological studies. The anti-allergic compounds identified from these species include flavonol glycosides, such as naringin and hesperidin, and their aglycones, like naringenin and hesperidin, which modulate the release of histamine and other inflammatory mediators from mast cells and basophils. These compounds have promising applications in preventing and treating allergic diseases like allergic asthma, rhinitis, and atopic dermatitis. Our products aren't made from the juice or actual fruit of citrus plants, but the byproducts, mainly peels, outer membranes, and seeds. It is very important to emphasize that these byproducts contain a rich source of value-added bioactive compounds with a wide spectrum of applications: anti-tumor, antifungal, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-diabetic, antioxidant, and other beneficial activities with health-promoting abilities, just as an example. Most research indicating citrus as a food to avoid for histamine issues rests on the fact that the white fuzzy membranes and sacs surrounding each burst of juice are high in pectin. Pectin is a naturally occurring fiber found in fruits and vegetables, commonly used as a thickening agent in food products like jams and jellies. While pectin itself is not inherently high in histamine, some sources suggest that it may play a role in histamine intolerance by affecting gut health and digestion. At the end of the day, do what's right for you and listen to your body. Our products are not going to be exactly what everyone always wants or needs. We make the products we want and need and find most helpful and health affirming. The point is that citrus seed extracts are not high in histamine, and we are high in making sure you have all the information without the fear and misdirection. We hope you understand that the citrus seed extracts in our EC3 products are not histamine activators, but much to the contrary. We want you to feel good again.